Okay, today we're going to be comparing functions. So we're going to look at our first example here. For each function, complete the table of values, graph, and then give a description. So we're just going to go ahead and substitute in. So 2 times negative 2 minus 5. So that's negative 4 minus 5, which is negative 9. 2 times negative 1 minus 5 is negative 2 minus 5. So negative 7. Maybe you see a pattern developing. Let's keep going here with our substitutions. So we get negative 5. 2 times 1 minus 5. So that's negative 3. 2 times 2 minus 5. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Okay, next we're going to look at the first differences. So as we move down the first differences column, the y column, from negative 9 to negative 7, we've increased by 2. So if you want to see the calculation, so we have negative 5 minus negative 7. So remember the double negative gives us a positive, which is equal to plus 2. Negative 3 minus negative 5. So that's negative 3 plus 5, which equals plus 2. Or you can just look at the pattern as we go down from negative 3 to negative 1, we've added 2. So since the first differences match and they're all plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, and plus 2, we can conclude that the function is linear. So then we look at the highest degree on the exponent, and a 1 is understood to be there, so the degree of this function is 1. And then finally, we are going to plot each point. So negative 2, negative 9 is a point. So negative 2, negative 9, we're going to put a dot there. Negative 1, negative 7. 0, negative 5. 1, negative 3. 2, negative 1. And then I'm going to grab my ruler. We're going to connect the dots. And then we're going to label our line using good communication. So y is equal to 2x subtract 5. All right, let's try one more. So I'm just substituting in. This time you'll notice that there's an x squared. So 2 times negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 2. So that's going to give me 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 minus 2. So we are going to get minus 2. Okay, plugging in for the next one, we get negative 4. 2 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. 2 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 2. We get 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2 plus 4 minus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 2, so that's 4 times 2 is 8, plus another 8 minus 2, so that's 14. Okay, so we're going to look at the first differences. So we have decreased by 2, then we have increased by 2, increased by 4, increased by increased by 6. Let me fix that one. That should be a 6. Okay, we're going to look at the second differences. So plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. So since our second differences match, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, the type of function is quadratic. And the highest exponent is a 2, so we're going to put a 2 there. All right, next we are going to plot the points. So negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, 0, negative 2, 1, 4, and then 2, 14 is off the grid somewhere up here. And then we could also add reflective points if you want to make your parabola even on both sides. Connect the dots. Whoops, let me try that again. Okay, a nice smooth curve, and label the parabola for good communication. Okay, that's it.